हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल कॉमर्स नॉलेज। आज की वीडियो में हम देखेंगे मार्जिन ऑफ कॉस्टिंग के सम। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट इट। क्वेश्चन इज गिवन लाइक दिस: यू आर गिवन द फॉलोइंग डेटा, years sales and profit are given. In 2019 sale is 1,20,000 and profit is 8,000. In 2020 sale is rupees 1,40,000 and profit is 13,000. Okay, what they asked to find out first PV ratio, second break even point, third profit when sales are rupees 1,80,000, fourth sales required to earn a profit of rupees 12,000, and fifth margin of safety in the year 2020. Now we solve the problem. First one is what they ask, PV ratio. So we find the PV ratio. PV ratio. What is the formula of the PV ratio? It is a contribution divided by sales into 100. But in this question 2 years data is given. So we use the another formula of the PV ratio. What it is? It is a change in profit divided by change in sale into 100. Okay. Change in profit divided by change in sales into 100. Here 2 years data is given. So by this using this data we easily find the change in profit and change in sale. First we find the change in profit. What it is? It is a profit in year 2020 minus profit in year 2019. Okay. What is the profit in year 2020? It is rupees 13,000 minus rupees 8,000. Okay. So 13,000 minus 8,000 we got 5,000. Now we find the change in sale. How we find? It is a sale in year 2020 minus sale in year 2019. Okay. What is the sales in year 2020? It is rupees 1,40,000 minus rupees 1,20,000. So deduct the 1,20,000 from 1,40,000. It is rupees 20,000. Okay. Now we have the both the information, change in profit and change in sales. Put this information into the formula. Change in profit is rupees 5,000 divided by change in sales is rupees 20,000 into 100. Solve this. 5,000 divided by 20,000 into 100 is 25. So PV ratio is 25%. Okay. Now go for the second part. What they ask? They ask to BEP point. Point here. Break even point. What is the formula of the BEP? It is a fixed cost divided by PV ratio. Okay. What is fixed cost here? If fixed cost is not given, so first we find the fixed cost and then after find the break even point. What is fixed cost? Fixed cost is contribution minus profit. Okay. And what is contribution? For finding the contribution, we take the sale of year 2019. It is how much? Rupees 1,20,000, and apply the PV ratio on this. How much PV ratio is? 25%. So 25% minus profit. Profit of the 2019 is how much it is given? Rupees 8,000 is given. Rupees 8,000. So 1,20,000 into 0.25 is 30,000 minus rupees 8,000. Okay, so 30,000 minus 8,000 is rupees 22,000. So rupees 22,000 is our fixed cost. Okay, now this information into the formula. Rupees fixed cost is rupees 22,000 divided by PV ratio is 25%. So 0.25. We get 22,000 divided by 0.25 is 88,000. So our break even point is 88,000. Okay. Now we move to third part of our question. What it is? They ask for profit when sales are rupees 1,80,000. Here we have to find the profit when sales are rupees 1,80,000. So we find it, profit when sales are rupees 1,80,000. So how to find profit? It is nothing but contribution minus fixed cost. Okay, so profit is equal to contribution minus fixed cost. What is contribution here? Contribution is sales into PV ratio minus fixed cost. What is sales here? It is given 1,80,000 into PV ratio. We already find the PV ratio in our first part. How much it is? 25%. Okay, now put here 25%. And what is fixed cost? We also find the fixed cost. How much it is? Rupees 22,000. Okay, rupees 22,000. Now solve this. 1,80,000 into 25% is 45,000 minus rupees 22,000. Okay, 45,000 minus 22,000 is 23,000. Okay, so 23,000 is our profit when sale is 1,80,000. Now we move to fourth part of our question. What they ask? Sales required to earn a profit of rupees 12,000. Here we have to find the sales when we want profit of rupees 12,000. Now solve it. Fourth one, sales required when profit is rupees 12,000. So what is the formula of this? It is desired profit plus fixed cost divided by PV ratio. What is desired profit? It is given rupees 12,000. Okay, and what is fixed cost? We already find it is how much? 22,000. And what is PV ratio? It is 25%. Now solve this. 12,000 plus 22,000 is 34,000 rupees. 34,000 divided by 25%. 34,000 25% is 1,36,000. Okay, so 1,36,000 is our sales when we want profit of rupees 12,000. Now we move to fifth part of our question. What they ask? Margin of safety in year 2020. Here we have to find the margin of safety in year 2020. So here we find the margin of safety. Fifth one, margin of safety. What is formula of the margin of safety? It is actual sales minus break even sales. Okay, what is actual sales? In 2020 actual sales is rupees 1,40,000. Rupees 1,40,000. And what is break even sale? We already find how much it is. It is rupees 88,000. Now deduct this one. 1,40,000 minus 88,000 is equal to 52,000. So 52,000 is our margin of safety. Here we complete our question. Okay. Now we again see the question and answer for better understanding. In the question they give the sales and profit for 2 years and On the basis of that, we have to find the PV ratio. So first we find the PV ratio. For finding PV ratio, we use the formula of change in profit and change in sales, and then after we find the PV ratio is 25%. Second one, they ask for the break even point. How we find the break even point? We use the formula of the break even point. What it is a fixed cost divided by PV ratio. Here fixed cost is not given, so we find the fixed cost. So how we find the fixed cost? We use the formula of fixed cost, contribution minus profit. Here what is contribution? For contribution we take the sale 1,20,000 and PV ratio to find the contribution and deduct the profit of rupees 8,000, which is given in question, and finally we get the 22,000 as fixed cost. Put the fixed cost here 22,000 and PV ratio we already find in earlier one, it is 25%. So we get 88,000 is our break even point. Third one, they ask for profit when sales are rupees 1,80,000. Okay, so we find the profit when sale is 1,80,000. So for finding profit we use the formula of contribution minus fixed cost. How we find the contribution? It is nothing but sales into PV ratio. Sale is rupees 1,80,000, which is given in the question, and put that 25% as PV ratio, which already find in earlier part, and then put the 22,000. Now we get the 23,000 as a profit. What is fourth part? The fourth part, they ask for sales required to earn a profit of rupees 12,000. Here we have to find the sales when profit is rupees 12,000. So we put the formula, this one, desired profit plus fixed cost divided by PV ratio. What is desired profit? It is already given 12,000. And what is the fixed cost? It is already find, it is 22,000 divided by 25%. So we get sales is 1,36,000. And what is fifth part? It is margin of safety in year 2020. So what is the margin of safety? Margin of safety is nothing but the actual sales minus break even sales. Actual sales that is given in the question 1,40,000, and break even sales we already find in second part, that is 88,000. Now we get the 52,000 as our margin of safety. Here our question is completed. Thanks for watching.